Today I decided to make strawberry and blueberry jello. This is what we are making today. It looks good, isn't it? You need at least 2 small boxes of Jell-o and 1 big bowl. Start opening up one by one and pour all the powder inside the bowl. And the next one, same thing. Put everything inside the bowl. And now we need hot water. I like to use this big coffee mug. Keep mixing it really good. You need to mix it in the same time when you're pouring the water in there. And this is the third 1 glass of water. Of course, it's always good to put some sugar in it because it will taste much better. You don't have to use sugar. I like using it because it tastes much better. When you're done mixing it, put it on the side. Let it stay until it gets cold. Now we're going to cut the strawberries in small pieces. Like I said, make sure you cut them in really tiny pieces because it will taste much better in the end. It looks good already. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Okay, now let's put the strawberries inside the cups. Fill them up one by one. Now we will do the same thing with blueberry. Put them all evenly in the cups. Okay, now we are ready for the Jell-o juice. This looks amazing. Now what I always like to do, putting whipped cream on top of it because it will taste much better. When you're done filling up with the Jell-o juice, you have to put it in the fridge. Let it stay at least 12 hours. This looks so good, I cannot wait to eat it. Okay, 12 hours has passed. You can see now it's ready. I like to put some whipped cream on top of it. You don't have to if you don't like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell.